the best jollof is from Ghana.
Who tell you the best jollof, hands down, right now, is Nigerian jollof.
Oh boy!
Oh, thank God, thank God.
Guys, I need to go and finish this. So foodies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi there. My name is Mawuena. Welcome to a foodie world where we bring you simple, relatable homemade meals. We are back again with another video, and today is the independence celebration of our favorite and annoying siblings, Nigeria. And today we are cooking Eba and Egusi. Well, the Ghanaian in me don't know how to prepare egusi, but I want that to change from today. So I'm here with a special chef coming all the way from Nigeria. Chef Temitu. Always dramatic. Welcome to the channel.
Thank you very much.
Why they give me phone?
You know be so. This life no balance.
So today we're about to bring the jollof war to food stories. I would have made Ghanaian jollof while he makes Nigerian jollof, and then we will settle the fight. But today being Nigeria independence, we decided, well, let's forgive them, okay? Because we all know the best jollof is from Ghana.
Who tell you?
That one there is on period. Whatever you say here, it's on period.
You can't say it at all.
It's on period.
So let me tell you something.
You've been living in Ghana for so long. If Ghana jollof was that bad, you would have been back to your hometown by now.
No. Let me solve the war. You understand? Let me solve the war.
See, we will never end this war. So let's focus on our
best. Let me tell you something. Me, I have traveled the globe. I have gone the west and the north. Okay. I have gone the south and the east. Hey! And I can confidently say, after testing all the jollof, from traveling from Cotonou to straight here in Accra, I can boldly say, for all Nigerians in Ghana to hear, the best jollof worldwide, read my list, the best jollof worldwide right now, hands down, is Nigerian jollof.
Oh boy. Anyway, let's move to our egusi, because if we are considering this jollof, we'll finish cooking today.
Yes.
What do we like? What are you making for us?
Today I'm making some palatable, sumptuous Nigerian meal. What I can say for a fact here is that Nigerians have the best meals in the world. You understand? And we have a plethora.
Can we rest?
You calm down.
You know Ghanaians have the best dishes.
Yes, so I'm about to show you egusi soup with a touch of leaves.
We are sorry.
You understand? So you will enjoy it. Egusi with a touch of leaves. And my name is Chef Dennis Temitu.
I'm sure that comes to give us chef dummy skills here.
No. Hilda Bassi has nothing on me.
We are sorry.
Now what we're gonna do right here is the egusi, and we have a couple of
this. You see, your village people don't follow you come here.
They will go.
Your village people, they don't follow you come here.
They'll go away. So we have beef, we have goat meat, we have snail, we have Kpomo, we have
mackerel, smoked mackerel.
Smoked mackerel.
What Ghanaians call salmon.
We have salmon. You see, the Nigerian me is losing out. But so we have crayfish, we have Knorr seasoning cube. Is it cube or cube?
It's cube.
Cube.
Yeah.
We have dry fish. I've already made sure that it is well cleaned. Yeah. And we also have onion, garlic, and ginger. We have
blended crayfish.
We
also have some sliced onions here.
Yes. And we have the holy grail, egusi.
We also have Gboma leaves here though.
So this is Gboma leaves, ugu in Nigeria, or eforiro as you might call it. Sorry, pardon my accent. Ghana jollof did this.
That means Ghana has the best jollof in some period. So we have some peppers here. We have red bell pepper, which the Nigerians call tatashe.
Tatashe.
And
You got
then we
it.
have chili pepper, red chili pepper. We have red scotch bonnets, yellow scotch bonnets, some onions, and we also have, what is this thing called?
This is called Iru in Nigeria, and I gave you the English name, right?
Locust beans.
Locust
This
beans.
thing-
Locust beans.
this
Not,
thing is like-
not locust beans. Locust beans.
This thing is like dawa dawa in Ghana because they smell, but I'm sure it's adds some magic to the meal. So let's get cooking. Let's get cooking.
Let's get
How-
cooking.
Eba and Egusi is ready. And with the way I'm salivating, oh my god, I need to try this.
I'm sure you've watched Joanne already.
Of course, no.
Oh, okay, nice. Mm-hmm.
This really makes sense.
Oh, thank God, thank God.
Guys, I need to go and finish this, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
She had no confidence in me. On behalf of my fellow Nigerians, Happy Independence Day to you. No.
Happy
Independence Day to you all.
Nigeria.
God bless you all.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
My name is
share.
Chef Dennis Temituru.
Bye.
Bye.